I'm Molly Haines, and this is the Whitteville by Marie Franklyn on 5th in Bellevue.
Set on a corner lot with full fencing and professional landscaping, this residence was thoughtfully designed for both everyday living and effortless entertaining. The grand two-story entry sets the tone, leading into an open family room with a gas fireplace and a dining area complete with a wet bar. The beautifully appointed kitchen features a large island, stainless steel appliances, and a full prep kitchen with a second sink, range, and dishwasher. Stepping outside, you'll see multiple covered outdoor living spaces with built-in speakers, Infratech heaters, including one of the outdoor spaces with a stunning gas fireplace. This makes it easy for you to enjoy Pacific Northwest setting all year round. On the main level, you'll find a guest suite with its own bath and walk-in closet and laundry, along with a den and flex room. Upstairs, you'll find the primary suite that offers a luxury retreat with a spa-inspired bath and a walk-through closet to the laundry room. Three additional bedrooms, a study loft, and a generous recreation room, complete with its own beverage fridge. A refined living space, a 3-car garage, a timeless home right in the heart of Glendale.
Thank you for taking your time to tour this very special Marie Franklyn home with me today. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, give me a call.